Because you have rejected my wisdom, I have also rejected you. You are not going to be my priest. Because you have forgotten my commandment, I am also going to forget your children. You see what our Elohim is speaking about. He is saying that I wanted to make you a priest. And because you have rejected my commandment, now I am also going to reject your children. Just look, it's just a simple arithmetic. It's just a simple instruction. Only command. If you remain in the command of the Lord, He is going to accept you as the kingdom of priests. But if you reject Him, He's going to reject your children. He's going to reject our children if you reject Elohim. Support of that Bible is found in Isaiah 10:3. Isaiah 10:3. You can read only Isaiah 10:3. It says, what are you going to do in that day and the days of destruction, which is going to come from a very far distance? Whom are you going to run so that you may get a rescue? Where is your glory is going to be left? Just listen. Those people who have got carved in